On March 15th, the District 99 School Board voted yes on a proposal that would reopen the doors to all students. Superintendent Dr. Hank Thiele gave an overview of the new protocol.
The proposal for the board today is to return on April 6th after spring break with a Tuesday through Friday full in-person schedule. So everybody's invited back every day, Tuesday through Friday, at a 1:30 release to avoid the lunch period.
This lunch period, or lack thereof, was a point of contention throughout the meeting. One parent was impassioned enough about the topic to say,
"We are failing. We are failing as a community. We need to put a stop to it."
Dr. Thiele first defends the plan by explaining issues with space.
We have decided administratively a common lunch is not a feasible option at this time. Right now at South High, which is our biggest building, right now it has the smallest cafeteria space due to construction. It also does not have an auditorium due to construction. So there's very little area in the common lunchroom space to bring students in.
He goes on to explain why the 1:30 release is crucial for our bus routes.
By removing lunch, you shorten the school day by 1 hour, naturally, because you remove that lunch study, as I mentioned earlier. That would put us at the end of the day at 2:30. However, that is the exact same time that the elementary schools are releasing their students. We need to do our bus runs either before or after they do.
Reporting from Downers Grove South High School, this has been Gwendolyn Royal with the Blueprint News Network.